Before this video begins, all credits go to Neonuswex. Go sub to Neonuswex and get him to 1,000 subs. Enjoy the video.
Let's go.
Good job for having disclaimer.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Christian the Roblox Master. This video contains valid emergency alert tones. As the creator is not responsible of any of these tones, all the AS marks are fake, and they should use for entertainment purposes only. Do not take any Christian's videos without permission. If you do so, you will get a copyright strike without warning. Any music or sound effects don't belong to Christian. All rights of any music or sound effects goes to their owners. And one more thing, please don't be an idiot and play these tones in the air, as it will cause massive panic and confusion. But anyways, go grab a pack of popcorn and snacks and enjoy the video.
Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the United States news.
That's literally CNN.
Degrees outside, at least we are having a normal temperature for today. Now on to the top story. It is confirmed that Sans is replacing Caillou Anderson, so now, Sans will be in the Young Bombers for now on. Second, the YouTuber Mr. Beast has confirmed that Chris, Chandler, Carl, and Nolan will put their hand on his gravestone. And if one of them leave their hand last wins MrBeast's YouTube channel, the chocolate bars, the restaurant, everything that Mr. Beast has. Third, there's an accident on the highway in Colombia, no deaths were reported. Fourth, the winner of the Minecraft PvP tournament is Dream, since last year's winner Technoblade died. Fifth, a Young Bombers member, Captain Elite, is in the hospital due to a symptom that's unknown. And lastly, the Daytona 500 will come in a few days, so make sure you get your tickets. That's all I have for. Wait. I am getting a word that the emergency alert system is going to send a message to the United States. Please stand by for a message from the emergency alert system.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Columbia Police Department. Multiple reports say that they saw a squid with creepy eyes. Police are
It's probably Brandon Richardson in a costume. Lol.
from the squid. If you see the squid, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. If this squid has attempted to break into your homes, use any weapon of all needs. That includes legal force. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Welcome back to the United States news.
AGN, that is literally CNN.
That the squid has destroyed buildings at his path. We also got information about the squid. The squid is from a show called SpongeBob SquarePants. The character's name is Squidward Tentacles, or people called him the Red Mist. The Red Mist has killed over 500 people in Colombia. The police called the Young Bombers to help out this situation.
Who the F are the Young Bombers?
Killer Master, King Caden, FaZe Pluto, EAS Row Rises, Bella and Pets, Drippy, Captain Elite, Bluey Ninja, Zodiac Galaxy, Wolfie, Autumn, Spidey Miss, Kian Plays, Clarence Callahan, W31, Sans, Jaden Master 8 Good, East River Boy 13, Weatherfan 777, and Waylon the God Bomber. All residents must stay away from the Red Mist, as the Red Mist can kill you on sight. That's all I have for now. This is Aaron Lopez, signing off.
Why not just send the military or police in the MDU's holy water to defeat the Red Mist?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Columbia Police Department. The red mist is destroying buildings in its path. The young bombers are trying their best to stop the red mist.
Agent, just send in the effing military or police in to defeat the red mist and use holy to you. Now what if it's going to 14?
Do not listen to the voices in your head. Stay tuned into TV or radio stations for more information on this dangerous situation.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Bruh.
WTF was that jump scare?
Bruh.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The red mist sent 5 missiles to California, Washington, Florida, New York, and South Carolina. If you
How the F did red mist got 5 missiles and where is the military at?
plan how to kill the red mist, stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Bruh.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The red mist had killed King Caden, Clarence Callahan, Jaden Master HED, East River Boy 13, and Weatherfan 777. Jared managed to stab the red mist on the arm, but that still wasn't enough to kill him. All residents must remain calm. Panicking will only make this situation worse.
Agent, just send in the effing military or police in to defeat the red mist and use holy to you.
Why not just send the military?
Bruh.
This is an emergency action notification.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Get your ass on, boy. Bye. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Bruh.
News and information to the public in assigned areas. All residents in the United States. It is I, the Red Mist. I have took over the emergency alert system. And now, the future alerts won't help you. Ha 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 ha. But anyways, I will send a nuke to Oklahoma. The young bombers can't do anything about it. If anyone who lives in Oklahoma, it is safe to go outside. Stay tuned for more information on this exciting situation.
Well, time to end this scenario with an outro.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Red Mist. This is a test. I repeat, this is a test. It's time to celebrate the end of the World Day. All residents in the world, don't gather with friends and family, as you don't have friends or a family. Ha 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 ha. But anyways, since the world is ending, I guess I can play the national anthem for the last time. Enjoy the rest of eternity in heck. Ha 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 ha.